this problem from complex number, and the problem is three complex number such that z1 plus z2 plus z3 this is equal to 0, and mod z1 this is equal to mod z2 this is equal to mod z3, right? Prove that they represent the vertices of an equilateral triangle in complex plane. We have to prove three complex number represent three vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay, now we first draw any triangle ABC, A, B, C, and let Z1 be A, and this is Z2 and this is Z3, and since mod Z1 this is equal to mod Z2 this is equal to mod Z3. What do you mean by mod of any complex number? If we draw the complex plane, this is real axis, this is imaginary axis, and this is Z, this is x plus iy, and modulus is the value of the distance from origin to the point P at which complex number lie. Okay, and this distance are equal for three complex number. So we must have there will be origin and the distance of A, distance of B, and distance of C are same, because it is given that this is mod Z1, this is mod Z2, and this is mod Z3. So it is the origin. Okay, that is we write OA, this is equal to mod OB, this is equal to mod OC. Imply O, that is 0 0 origin, be the circumcenter of the triangle ABC, right? Because OA and OB and OC three are same, so this is the radius of the circumcircle, and we say that this is the circumcenter, and we can draw a circle through three vertices of the triangle. Okay, this is the first condition. Now since A, B, C represent three complex number, so we have to find the centroid of this triangle. Okay, centroid of triangle ABC, or we can say that CG of triangle ABC is given by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. This is the formula of centroid, addition of three vertices by 3, and this is equal to 0 by 3, this is equal to 0. Okay, and this 0 means this is 0 plus I into 0, because these three are complex number, so it must be origin, and we say that so centroid of triangle ABC is origin 0 0. And if for any triangle circumcenter and centroid coincide, then this type of triangle must be equilateral. Okay, and here we write since circumcenter and CG of triangle ABC are the same point, so triangle ABC must be equilateral. Okay, and we require the result that the triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, very easy problem, but interesting and important problem of complex number. Thank you for watching.